join us today as we trim this Princess Persimmon back to a manageable silhouette. All right, welcome back, everybody. So I've been waiting almost like a year and a half for this process to occur. This is a Princess Persimmon. It's a red one. You can pick the seed off really quick. This is the red variety. Princess Persimmon has seeds and everything. This was one of the nursery stock from Ed Clark. It was a root cutting, and then. This is like years experience playing with a Princess Persimmon. You don't cut them too early. So if you cut them way too early or way too late, they tend to like die back. I mean, extremely die back. You just get these random branch die back. So what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna trim this tree back to a silhouette that it's manageable, because they just keep extending. They don't really bud back aggressively unless you trim them back pretty hard during this growing season. So let me turn the camera around, or I can work on either way, it doesn't matter, and I'll show you what I'm trying to do eventually. So this is the tree. You can see this is where the root cutting originally originated from. Still has a scar mark. I like it there. Wired it a couple years ago. I don't think the wires are dug in. I can check really quick. Nope, does not dug in. I'm gonna keep it one more season there. But you can see how far extended. You can see the flower right there. There's a flower growth right there. It's on the further extension, and there's nothing back here. So that's a problem with Princess Persimmon. They don't really, they have these really lengthy growth until you cut them back. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm actually gonna cut this entire branch off just because it's so straight. It just and it just kind of goes off. I'm going to keep it right around here. I think that's the goal. Yeah, you could air layer, you can do all the stuff into it, but if you do any like earlier in the season when there's no leaves or it doesn't pop out, it tends to die back. And when I mean die back, it just dies back pretty significantly. Reason I'm just taking it off right here, it's so straight. There's no ends or butts around it. I was waiting a whole year to cut this thing off. And while I'm here, it's a great time to cut to shape. So if you have a particular, like this is just one branch. There's no branching at all. Yeah, some of you guys think I'm brutal. It just gets to a point where it gets too long, and then you get absolutely no refinement. That's horrible. Can't cut them. Oh yes, if you notice the growth are at the very end. So if you want fruit, this is not the time to do it. But again, this is for long-term health. I want to make sure I get some growth out of this. And that branch is really long. I'm gonna just cut it there. Again, you can, I usually like doing this type of trimming when leaves pop out. So I know I'm not like losing branches, because I've done that before. I lose whole apexes. Apexes? Apies? I don't know what to call that. I'm making words up now. Again, I'm sacrificing fruiting right now for shape. This thing will pop right back. I'm just gonna make sure I get 1 or 2 fruiting on these guys. I mean, that's the whole point of a Prince of Persimmon, isn't it? See the fruit of your labor, huh? Get it? Fruit of your labor. Such a straight branch. I need my apex somewhere around here somewhere. So I'm gonna start whittling it down to the point where I like it. Such a straight branch right here. But if I make it to a slant, you know, play its part pretty well. Ooh, excuse me. Branch. Right, I think that's it. Quick trimming on that guy. So this is much further along as a female. Let me turn my camera around so you can see what a male looks like right now. Ooh, excuse me. This is what my male looks like right now. You can see the buds are just pushing. This needs to be pushed back pretty hard this year. I'm gonna do this when it all leaves out, kind of hardens off, and I'll cut back pretty hard. Again, don't do it too early or you're gonna get like my dieback top again. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Let's see how you guys like that. See, I don't have sorry, I can't get a before and after, but you guys get it. You guys like the video, like and subscribe. Hope you guys have a Prince of Persimmon. Leave that in the comment and see what you guys think. And I'll talk to you guys later, man. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.